I've had my car in my garage sometimes way too long because of the weather, because I'm busy, for any number of reasons. And then when you go out to the garage, the car won't start because the battery's dead. And a lot of times you have a charger in the garage, but then that takes a couple hours to get it going. By the time that's over, the urge is gone or something's happened, you don't get to drive your classic car. So here's a solution that I use. I use battery tenders. These are small battery chargers, but they're smart enough to know when to turn the juice on for your battery and when to turn it off so it doesn't cook your battery. The other thing that's important about these is that as batteries in your cars start to go down and stay down, the plates on them sulfate or they get a chemical on them and they're hard to get charged back up. So it's just a good idea to keep a charger on there all the time so that it's ready to go when you get ready to go out in the weekend and enjoy your car. How hard is this to put on? And you'll notice there's a red and a black terminal on here, and they're very easy to put on because on the battery there's a plus and a minus, and I've marked them on this battery, but you put the red one on the plus and the black one on the minus, and then the hard part is you just go plug it into the wall someplace, and when you do, this light will either light up red because things are not so good, or green, but meaning it's all okay. I use these on almost all my cars, and it sure does make life easier when you're getting ready to go someplace and you're in a hurry, or when the urge hits you to drive your classic car. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. If you want to find out more about this, hit subscribe.